20 Crazy Facts You Didn't Know About Ryan Reynolds. 1. Ryan Rodney Reynolds was born October 23, 1976. 2. Reynolds was born in Vancouver, British Columbia. 3. His father, James Chester Jim Reynolds, 1941 to 2015, was a food wholesaler, and his mother, Tammy, is a retail salesperson. 4. He is of Irish ancestry and was raised as a Roman Catholic. 5. The youngest of 4 brothers, he graduated from Kitsilano Secondary School in Vancouver in 1994. 6. He attended Kwantlen Polytechnic University, also in Vancouver, until dropping out. 7. 2 of his elder brothers work as police officers in British Columbia, one of whom is a Royal Canadian Mounted Police member. 8. Reynolds' career began in 1991, when he starred as Billy Simpson in the Canadian-produced teen soap Hillside, distributed in the United States by Nickelodeon as 15. 9. In 1996, he co-starred with Melissa Joan Hart in the TV movie Sabrina the Teenage Witch. 10. As an adult, Reynolds starred in the American television series Two Guys, A Girl and a Pizza Place, playing medical student Michael Bergbergen, and in the National Lampoon movie Van Wilder. 11. In 1993-94 he had a recurring role in The Odyssey as Macro. 12. He also cameoed in Harold and Kumar Go to White Castle as a nurse, appeared in The In-Laws with Michael Douglas and Albert Brooks, as well as in the Canadian production Foolproof. 13. In 2005, he played a waiter named Monty in Waiting, and as music executive Chris Brander in the romantic comedy Just Friends alongside Amy Smart and Anna Faris. Reynolds played the protagonist in the 2008 film Definitely, Maybe. 14. He has also appeared in the second season finale of the television series Scrubs. 15. In 2007, Reynolds guest starred as Brendan's friend Hams in the episode Douchebag in the City of the TBS sitcom My Boys. In 2009, he portrayed Andrew Paxton, starring opposite Sandra Bullock, in The Proposal, and Mike Connell in Adventureland. 16. Although he has performed primarily in comedies, Reynolds underwent intense physical training to play an action role as the character of Hannibal King in the 2004 film Blade, Trinity. 17. Reynolds played George Lutz in the 2005 remake of the 1979 horror film The Amityville Horror. 18. Additionally, he played an FBI agent alongside Ray Liotta in the 2006 crime action film Smokin' Aces. 19. In a March 2005 interview, Reynolds spoke of his interest and involvement in a possible film adaptation of Deadpool with screenwriter David S. Goyer, as well as the possibility of playing the incarnation of the Flash known as Wally West in an adaptation of the popular DC Comics character in an upcoming movie project. 20. Reynolds portrayed Wade Wilson, Weapon 11 in a supporting role in the prequel X-Men film, X-Men Origins, Wolverine, 2009, a role that he would later reprise in a spin-off feature film based on the character released in 2016.